No, listen to me, okay? This is clearly not the figurine that I ordered, all right? What I ordered from you was the angel nurse Ayumi in her sexy nurse outfit, okay? What I got from you, sir, is sexy nurse Ayumi in her city vice outfit, which I might add, I already have 3 different copies of in different poses, so I don't need a 4th one. You mind telling me what I can do with the 4th one? Nothing. That's what. Okay? So what I would like you are the one who's mistaken, sir. What I would need from you, what I require from you, is I would like a full refund of my $400. I am a very serious collector, sir. Okay? If you could see my shelf, you would see that I'm not screwing around here, okay? This is very important to me. So either you serve me, or I'm gonna go to your supervisor, and I will complain to him, and sir, I will have your job, okay? Because I get things done when needed. So once again,
I don't need this shit.
I'm gonna stop this guy. I need to pick him out fast.